we have a mystery box. There is a new mystery box. There's a picture of it, but I got it all here. Look. Okay, we're going to show you everything, but there's a cutie. The cutie says Cricut, and oh my gosh, he matches my hair. This is the Melody Lane cutie. Not really. It's called Blush. Let's show you everything else that's in the box. So I'm going to show you the items closed up and in their package, and then we'll open them up. Okay, give me the first product, Alex. Scraper and spatula. If you already have this, then it's also good to have extras. I need lots of extras because I lose them a lot. And the scraper is good for vinyl and so many different things for scoring. And Natalie Milan paper, not one, but 2 packages. This is the designer paper. This is the expensive paper. We're going to be doing a project with one of these today, and we'll show you all the paper after we show you everything else. You get the gold marker set. So you have those, 2 of them or 3 of them are calligraphy. I think 3 of them are calligraphy. One is fine and one is medium. They write on black paper, dark blue paper. They would be so pretty on that. Adhesive foil stainless set. So you get all of those. Can you see those colors? There's red. So there's kind of a theme, a little bit of a theme to these. Iron On, Martha Stewart, Everyday Iron On. In rose pink, it's 12 by 24. So it's Martha Stewart. And this is one of my favorite pattern iron-ons. This has, can you see those 3? We'll open them up. You also get holographic. This is the Cherry Fizz sampler. Holographic vinyl. Look, those 3 colors. Look how sparkly it is. This is removable iron-on. What's the name of this one? Lipstick. It's matte. Oh, let's show them the paper. Okay, so this is June. Oh, this one's Little Terrace. This paper is so cool. It's double-sided. So we have this paper, and then you turn it over, and you have stripes. You get 2 of each. I really like this one. Isn't that cool? Polka dots on the other side.
I like that paper. I like both sides of it.
Yeah, I do too. And some bugs, beetles.
Beetle bugs.
Little boys would love that. Oh, and the back side of the bugs is a really nice, like, watercolor. And this one is so pretty.
It's like lavender. Is that lavender in there?
Do you see the bugs in this one? There's tiny little bugs.
Oh, I was like,
little beetles. You don't see it just by looking at it. You have to really find them.
Yeah, they're not everywhere.
And then the back is dark watercolor paper. So if you don't like this beautiful side, you can always use this side.
Oh, that's cool. It's like a little hexagon.
Melinda's asking if the blush is the same cutie we've already had. The blush has been out. This is not a brand new color of cutie. This is cool. And then the back is green watercolor. And this is really pretty. This one does have bugs. I was going to say it doesn't because I didn't see them. Yeah. But the bugs almost look like flowers. It's so pretty. And then a lighter watercolor and 2 of those. This one. And we'll show you the paper. The mystery boxes are $39.99, but if you add $10 more to your cart, you get it for 10% off if you use my code. My code is I am happy. Very pretty paper. Ooh, the back is purple. So that's a beautiful color of purple. Oh my gosh.
I think I might use that.
See, these are awesome to make for boxes and stuff. If you really like both sides, so you can see both sides. Ooh, that'd be pretty in my advent bag. I still have to finish that video. So that's pretty. And then
That's how you drop it.
like a mint green on the back. Those two colors are pretty together. Two of those. This one's so pretty with the birds. No, these mystery boxes are only available in the United States. I like that one.
I was like,
And
what
then polka
birds?
dots. Oh, you didn't see they were birds?
No.
Do you see the bird? My
I see it
fingers.
now.
I think that's so pretty. And I am ashamed to say I didn't already have this paper. And now I'm a little sad. This means you can't use it. This is I only got 2 pieces of each.
Okay.
I need more paper. Here's another one. Kind of looks like wallpaper. And nice red on the back. The code is I am happy. And I thought this one's really pretty.
Is that little butterflies in there?
The code is I am happy. It does have butterflies. Look, there's butterflies. This is a nice pattern that's not real big. Sometimes you need a smaller pattern. And then it has like a, what color is this?
It's like lattice.
Oh yeah, it is. It's like lattice with flowers on it. Is that too close? What color is this?
Like a... What? Let me see. It's like...
Let me turn
It's
light
not
on.
black. It's not gray. It's...
It almost has a blue tinge.
There's definitely like a
Blue, green.
a midnight purplish.
I don't know. It's a
That's
magic.
tough.
It's a magic color that changes when you look at it. I think it's 80 pounds. It's really nice cardstock. I love their
There's
cardstock.
no way that weighs 80 pounds.
Oh my gosh, Alex doesn't know about color. So I don't.
About color.
Okay, I just need to open the ones that have more than one. So here's the pattern iron-on, which this is pretty. And a lot of people ask what you do with this. You can cut words out of this, and it's beautiful. You can cut shapes or cut a word out of the center so you can see more of the pattern, like you do for infusible ink. Or you can just cut even fine letters with it. It's just pretty. And then this one. And remember, I like this one too. You can iron onto the cardstock. So if you don't iron on and make your own shirts or make pillows and things like this, these would be great for pillows.
Yes, there's the Cricut.
There's a cutie in the box if you just joined. Can't see him with my hair. So you can use it to iron on paper. And then this is vinyl. You get the silver and you get red. This has like a, a Valentine theme. You can use this to make cards with, to make home decor. And then you get gold. You can save this for next Christmas to get a jump start on Christmas projects. And this one too. So this is adhesive foil. This is the stainless, I think. It's not the, oh wait. I think this one's stainless. Yeah, I guess it is. And you get the red. And let me see how well, oh, these are 12 by 12. Get 1, 2. Welcome, Kim! And you get this dark color.
Oh, that's cool. That's kind of similar.
What is with the light? It's hard to see. And this is just like vinyl. I do cut this twice though. Instead of unloading the machine, I just hit the go button again. Another red and a silver. Yes, and happy birthday, Joan. All right. Bye, guys.
Bye. Toodles.